In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT search. Now, this is ChatGPT on steroids, and it essentially allows you to get any information from ChatGPT, but what they'll also do is give you sources and display it in an easy to understand, very clean way. So this is just new right now. It's called ChatGPT search, and you can go ahead and try it out for yourself. So I asked ChatGPT, I want to go for a nice steak dinner in Bangkok. Can you help me? And as long as you've got this search button selected, it will pull sources from search and from Google and from the web. What it did is it recommended me some restaurants to eat at. It put them on the maps. It showed them to me. It also displayed the restaurants in a very visual, easy to understand way, showing the name, the opening hours, the reviews. Also, it gave me an option to click on directions to go to their website or to call them. It shows the sources, which you can click on, and then you can go ahead and click on any of these articles where it sourced the info from. And then I asked it some follow-up questions. You can ask it any follow-up question you want. I said, is this a premium steakhouse? I was too excited. I forgot to say what establishment I was talking about, but it says here, if you want a premium experience, I recommend these 3. And then I said, which one is the cheapest? I'm very frugal. And it narrowed it down to one steakhouse. Now, this is all sourced off online, like online on the web. I even said then, okay, so I'm going on the 12th of November. What's the weather going to be like? Well, I need an umbrella. And it told me the weather forecast and that there's a 33% chance of rain. Now, this is crazy because you can use this however you like. How to make a cake that is low calorie. Not only will it give you answers like it usually would do, it will pull information from the web and you can source any information you want. And here you go. Here are all of the sources. You can use this very creatively. I've made a full in-depth video, so go and watch that. Thank you for watching.